In this video, I'll show you how to change the battery inside of your Volkswagen key fob. That looks just like this one. So first thing is to open the key, like so. And you'll notice here there's a small gap. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and place it right into the gap and then just wiggle it a bit. Don't need to do more than this. This will help separate the actual key from the electronic part right here. Alright, now we'll need to access the battery. And to do so, you'll need again your flathead screwdriver. And we'll need to pop this top part off. So it's a bit harder because there's no actually any gap, but you can put your screwdriver. This one is a bit too thick, so I'll take a slimmer one. You can also take a knife. I think it will do even a better job. So here you can see it's starting to move. And do it all around. There we go. Once you feel it opened enough, you can take it with your nail and there you go, pry it off. This is where your battery is, facing down. Take back your screwdriver, insert it right under the battery, and it will pop out like so. This one is a CR2032 3 volts battery. So let's say this is a new one. Take it back, put the positive side facing down, just the one you found it. Press on it, make sure it clicked in place. Take back your other part of the casing. And again, make sure it clicks really well in place. Take the key part and push both together. Here we go. And you're done. This is how you change the battery inside of your Volkswagen key fob. Give us a like and subscribe if this video was useful. Thanks.